Good morning, students. This is the second video for pros learning the game. The first video we have seen till second paragraph on page 2. If you don't understand the first class, watch once again my first video. Okay? Good. Now we are going to see third para on page 2. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun, and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. The system worked well apart from my pockets. There was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely. And for the entire duration of that camp, I played with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practice all year round. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and Sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. I want to ask question from the lesson. Can you respond it? Yes. What routine did Sachin follow in washing his clothes? Sachin washed his clothes as soon as I would return from the morning session. While he had his lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun, and he would wear them again in the afternoon. He repeated this in the evening so that he could use the same set of clothes the following morning. The second one, what did Achrikar inform Ajit? Achrikar informed Ajit to change the school for Sachin to pursue cricket seriously. I repeat once again. Achrikar informed Ajit to change the school for Sachin to pursue cricket seriously. Did you understand? Yes. Okay, good. We will continue the paragraph. One evening, Sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Shardasram Vidya Mandir, where Acharikar sir was the cricket coach. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. To refresh yourself, I want to raise questions to you. What was the suggestion given by Acharikar to Sachin's father? If cricket is the priority of Sachin, he has to change school to Shardashram Vidya Mandir school where Acharikar was the cricket coach. I repeat once again, if cricket is the priority of Sachin, he has to change school to Shardashram Vidya Mandir school where Acharikar was the cricket coach. The next question, what acted as a safety valve? All his excess energies were getting channeled into cricket. I repeat once again, all his excess energies were getting channeled into cricket. Okay, very good students. Let us continue our lesson. In my first year at Sardashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30-minute break. During the break, Sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. Between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m., I would have 5 more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, Sir would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me, with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. At the end of it all, Sir would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. My pads and gloves on. That was the last part of my training, and I would be completely exhausted by the end of it all. It was a routine. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. Stamina means the ability to sustain or prolong physical and mental effort. I repeat once again, what is the meaning of stamina? Stamina means the ability to sustain or prolonged physical and mental effort. Okay, students, Let me ask you two questions, okay? The first question. What did Sachin do during the 30-minute break? During the break, Sachin used to eat vada pav. That means a popular Mumbai fast food. It was sponsored by his coach. I repeat once again. During the break, Sachin used to eat vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. It was sponsored by his coach. The second question. What is the intense 15 minutes mentioned? It meant Sachin had to hit every ball along the ground to survive 15 minutes so that he can get 1 rupee coin which was kept on the stumps. I repeat once again. It meant Sachin had to hit every ball along the ground to survive 15 minutes so that he can get 1 rupee coin which was kept on the stumps. Good students, with this we wind up this lesson. There are some more, we can finish it in next class. I would say that go through the text, especially what we have seen today, and write question and question answers in your notebook and send it to my WhatsApp. The questions which I asked you during this video class. Okay? Thank you, students. We will see you next class.